Hello friends, today in this video I will show you command prompt not working or opening in Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix it? So it's very easy to fix it. So first you need to search Windows PowerShell and right click on it and click on run as administrator. And then type this sfc space slash scan now command and press enter and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. This process will be complete. So type second command if you comment. So I will give you in decision box. So just copy and paste it. And after this both command will be successfully run. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, your problem will be fixed. This command prompt problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.